Hi everyone! In today's video I'm gonna show you how can you pair your House of Marley Get Together 2XL speaker with your Android phone. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to turn on our speaker with this button over there. Now we have to go to our Bluetooth in our control panel, click pair new device, and as we can see there is Get Together 2XL. We have to click on it and allow and click pair. As you can see, we are now active and we have 30% battery. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more this size of videos. Goodbye.